Adding favorite channels on YouTube TV helps you access your most watched networks quickly. You can reorder, personalize, and highlight the channels you care about most. Here's how to set up your favorites on any device. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, mobile device, or go to tv.youtube.com. Step 2. Go to the Live tab or click on the Live tab. This is where all your channels appear in order. Step 3. Customize your live guide. Look for the Sort or Customize option. On TV, press up to open channel options. On mobile, web, tap Sort, Custom, select Edit or Customize Channels. Step 4. Mark channels as favorites. A list of all channels will appear. Turn on the check mark or toggle for the channels you want to appear at the top of your guide. Your selected channels become favorites and will appear first. Step 5. Reorder your channels. Drag channels up or down to create your preferred order on mobile.web. On smart TVs, use the arrows to move channels. Step 6. Save your custom guide. Confirm your changes. Your Live tab now shows your favorite channels at the top for quick access. That's it. You now have a personalized channel lineup that matches your viewing habits.